Dude.
We're on our way to meet with another vintage YZ, and we're headed to the dustiest place in all of North Idaho again to tear it up and see what we can do. Should be fun.
Last time I was here, I was running out of fuel on long hill climbs.
Oh yeah?
So I adjusted my float, so I rebuilt this carburetor.
Yeah.
In June? The last time I was out here, you know, the big power line hill climbs?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the ones I'd hit it in fourth, fully pinned.
Yeah.
And then by the time I downshifted to third, it was running out of fuel.
It was too late.
Sweet bike.
Thanks, yeah, they're same year, aren't they? 83?
83, yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's funny.
Wow.
Yep.
Twinsies.
Just totally.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you had a good wheelie going and then just...
Yeah, I know. Oh, dude. I went straight down on my head, dude. You ever see those videos? You're like, oh man, how the hell can people be so helpless and not put their hands down?
Right.
That's how.
Come get a shot of this front wheel from
All right.
the front.
What's up?
You tweaked the front wheel pretty good.
I did. The wheel itself?
It looks like it. You see how crooked it is?
Jeez. Oh yeah.
We might be done.
Mm-hmm.
At least get back to the truck free.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
1, 2.
Is that better?
It looks.
I don't see the wheel sticking out of the fender anymore. That's good. So it's better than it was. I mean, it's still crooked.
So I think it bent my clamps. Oh, I think it bent my clamps because when you did that, the bottom stayed the same and the top tweaked.
Top twisted.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
I am gonna have to upgrade my clamps.
Nice.
That still hurts.
I bet. Now you gotta make it.
I went straight down on my face.
I know. We can. Let's push this thing. I'll push this thing back over there,
Oh, okay.
and we'll look at the video.